Have you ever looked at a product and thought, why isn't this selling? The content is strong, the reviews are good, teachers are finding it, but the sales just aren't there. If you've ever felt that frustration, you're not alone. I've been selling on TPT for more than 17 years, generated over 1.7 million in sales, and one thing I know is this: good products don't automatically create sales. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is assuming that product quality alone determines success. Of course, quality matters, but quality is only one part of the equation. A product can be excellent and still struggle to sell. Why? Because sales happen when multiple systems work together. Teachers need to find the product, the listing needs to attract clicks, the description needs to build confidence, the preview needs to demonstrate value, and the product needs to solve the problem that teachers actually have. If any one of those pieces is weak, sales can suffer. I've experienced this in my own store. Over the years, I've had products that I knew were high quality, but still didn't perform the way I expected. My first reaction was often, maybe I need a better product. Maybe I need to add more pages. Maybe I need to create something new. But many times, the product wasn't the problem. The issue was somewhere else in the system. When a product isn't selling, many sellers immediately start creating something new. But before you do that, ask yourself, are teachers finding the product? Are they clicking on it? Are they viewing the preview? Are they seeing enough value to purchase? Because sometimes what looks like a product problem is actually a visibility problem. And sometimes what looks like a visibility problem is actually a conversion problem. This is exactly why identifying the right constraint matters. Many sellers try to improve everything at once, but growth usually happens when you identify the one system creating the biggest limitation and focus there first. For some sellers, that constraint is visibility. For others, it's conversion. The solution depends on the actual problem. Choose one product that you believe should be selling better. Then ask, is it getting enough traffic? Are teachers clicking on it? Is the preview helping teachers understand its value? Where might be teachers dropping off? The answers can reveal a lot about what's actually happening. If you are not sure which system is currently limiting growth in your own store, download the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder that is linked below. It will help you identify the biggest constraints so you can focus on the right improvements. But what if your product isn't the problem? What if your conversion isn't the problem? What if there simply aren't enough teachers seeing the products in the first place? That's a challenge I've been dealing with in my own store. And in the next video, I'll share why my TPT traffic dropped too and what I'm learning from it. I will see you in the next video.